It's the Adam and Gail show.
It's the Adam and Gail show.
Adam and Gail show.
Adam and Gail show.
Welcome to the Adam and Gail show. We about to tell you what you don't know.
Welcome and welcome back to our channel for all you wonderful viewers and future subscribers.
We missed you.
And so today is vlog day numero 3, Vlogmas 2020. And so today I just wanted to show you guys a clip of a video from my personal channel of us decorating our Christmas tree. Now, the vlog that will be released tomorrow is actually me decorating the tree, but today we're spraying the tree down, and you will see how.
Spray it down.
So let's get into it. Today, I've decided that I'm going to do something different. For the last, I would say 3 years, I've always wanted a frosted tree. This year, my theme for decorations is a winter wonderland. And so, of course, you can't have a winter wonderland without a white frosted tree, right? But then I thought about the price, and I said, maybe that may not work. However, when I went to the store, I found what I like to call snow in a can. Finally, I had an idea. I said I'm gonna spray my tree down and make it white frosted tree. So I'm gonna take on this wonderful task. I got 2 cans of this and I'm gonna spray my tree down. Ladies and gentlemen, it's snow in a can. Are you ready? Of course. Let's go.
Presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree.
All right. Hope this goes fine. I hope this works out.
Up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you.
Y'all, so far it's not that bad. So I just did the first half, and I did 1 layer. I'm so glad I did it outside because it's making a colossal mess. I sprayed it at least 12 inches to 18 inches away from it. That's what the can recommends. But so far it's coming out pretty good. That 1 layer, I think I did too much because this 1 can only did this 1 layer. And I still have this big half to go. I don't think another one of these cans would do that. I might need 2 more cans. So I'm gonna go to the store and get 2 more cans. I need to go to the store.
What you leaving the store now, honey?
I don't like the tone in which you said that.
Well, baby, what you leaving the store?
I used one of the cans for that first half, and the other half is gonna be a little more. So I need to get like at least 2 more cans to make sure I cover the whole tree. I'm just saying.
Carry on.
Baby, this year it's just gonna.
Y'all, I'm having a hard time not buying extra things here at Walmart. Every time I see anything Christmassy, I just want to snatch it up. So let me get the heck out of here.
Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately.
Y'all, if y'all can see it from my point of view, this looks really good so far. I mean, it just looks amazing, yo. Anyway, I got 3 more cans I'm gonna work with. Let's see how it comes out.
So I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making a Christmas.
Well, guys, I finished my tree. It took me about 4 of these cans, and I could have got a 5th. I should have got a 5th one, but it's okay. I got 4 of these cans. It took me to finally get the look that I am aiming for, y'all. This is the before, and y'all, this is the after. Oh my God, I feel like I can use 1 more, maybe 2 more coats, but you know what? I'll be content with this. This is exactly what I'm looking for. If y'all are interested in doing a frosted tree instead of buying one, I suggest you should do that. You can go to Walmart or Dollar General to pick up these snow in the cans. They're like $1.50. Try it out. Thank y'all for spending the day with me. I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful Merry Christmas this year. This is going to be the best Christmas ever. Why? Because you are alive. That's one reason to give God praise. All right, Hendo, try it.
Don't forget to like.
Don't forget to give some feedback in the comments.
And please subscribe for more Henderson exclusives.
Of course, we love you for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.